I'm Kris from Tgi Fridays in Southampton. We're now going to look at 12 moves for Master Bartender Flair level. Okay? The first move is going to be a 3 glass stack. Okay? For this, the equipment you need is a tall wine glass, a Collins glass, and a highball glass. You ice the glasses up. You then make 3 cocktails which will go into each of these types of glass. Okay? I already have them prepped up in this mixing tin, these mixing tins here. You then take your 3 mixing tins, 2 in your right hand and 1 in your left hand. You then pour all at the same time. Move number 2 for the Masters level is the full Collins switch. Okay, the equipment you need for this, 2 Collins glass, filled with ice. Then you need to fill them with soda or your cocktail. And the object of the move is to throw one glass behind your back, catch it, and then you follow up immediately with the second drink, exchange, and bring them back out in front of you, like so.
Throw the first glass upright over your shoulder and cushion the catch as it comes round. As you throw the second glass, exchange the first glass whilst it's in the air, cushion the catch again and bring both glasses round and present to the guest.
Move number 3 is the frozen flip. Now this is for the Masters level, okay, and all you need for this is a frozen drink, preferably a strawberry shortcake or something similar, in a tall wine glass. Now the object of the move is to throw the frozen drink in the tall wine glass over your shoulder and catch it in your left hand.
As the drink rolls forward off the knuckles, it's one continuous movement over your shoulder, catching the glass upright for presentation to the guest.